Welcome back to my channel. So since I did dark Cupid yesterday, we're gonna be doing a normal Cupid. So I forgot to get my tape, so we're gonna line up some tape like that. Close my door.
I told you I need to go shower.
Oh, I'm sorry. Stuff. I went to my local Rite Aid and they had some stuff like for lower than their price. I will try whatever I got, but that's for another day and another time. So I don't have that much time. So we're gonna be going with like a pink, baby pink, not baby pink, like, you know, just like an all pink look. A Morphe M441. We're gonna be taking blood sugar and we're gonna be going into tongue pop. And we're also gonna be going into foreplay. And then we're gonna go into bubblegum. And I'm also gonna go into cavity. Candy floss. I'm also gonna go into a touch of purple punch and bubblegum. I wondered why I never went back to doing tape. Now I know why. So I'll be back and I'll have the other eye out done, and I'm gonna do liner and lashes. Yes, lashes. And I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. So I added the little heart to the end of the wing, and I also added pearls. Of course, pink ones. And I did my foundation. So we're just gonna go ahead to the base. So of course we're gonna bronze her up a little bit. And for blush, I was actually gonna go into this Ellen Tracy, like it's light. And we're also gonna do a little bit of Untouchable. And we're gonna be taking Crystal Flesh as our highlighter. And we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick in Bali in Love. She cute. So I'm gonna go add on some extra accessories and I'll be back. Hello.
Oh my god. Really? Pareces una viejilla.
Viejita, what? So back to my look. So yes, this is a wig, and it's not very good, but it's gonna have to do. This is like my second wig, The other one was that blue one that Angel kept on wearing. But yeah, it's not that good. But these glasses are like cute as fuck. And yes, I only put nails on one hand because I don't have time to put it on the other hand. It's an ASMR. Let me stop. My mom already called me like a old lady and stuff. Ah, my eyelid got stuck. But yeah, this is the end of the Cupid tutorial. So leave a like, comment down below. Wait, do this hand. Comment down below, leave a like. Ew. My hand is ashy and from work, and it's pink because I didn't want to put too much blush earlier. But anyways, leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and put that bell button. Click it, please. But yeah, if you want to see more of me, please subscribe. And if you have any ideas for videos in the future, please let me know. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.